my creatively intelligent artists. Welcome back to art class. Grab your paper, pencil, crayons, and markers, and let's create a turtle cubism artwork. We're going to start with the shell of our turtle. And for the shell, we're starting with a rainbow line. Make sure you leave space at the top of the paper to create the head. And we're doing another sideways rainbow line and upside down rainbow line. We're going to bring a line all the way down to connect both sides to close the circle. Now on the outside of our circle, we're going to double the line and create a bigger line around the smaller circle so that the turtle shell can have a 3D look. It will look very realistic. Now we're going to use a V shape to create the tail of our turtle and a U shape for the legs. And we're going to give our turtle 2 legs and 2 hands. Let's give our turtle a nice big head using a rainbow line. And give your turtle 2 circles for the eyes. Your turtles are looking amazing, guys. Let's add 2 hands to our turtle, and we're using small rainbow lines. Inside of our turtle shell, we're going to add different lines to make the shell look more beautiful. So we're going to do a combination of diagonal lines and vertical lines to create the design of our turtle shell. Now we're going to divide our background using different lines and shapes so that our artwork has that cubism look. You can divide your background using as many lines as you like so that we can have a lot of shapes. Now it's time for us to color our turtle and the background. Now in each shape you can have a different color so that at the end of the day it can look like a cubism masterpiece. Now you can use any colors of your choice. You can use the colors that I have. That is okay. Your work is looking amazing, guys. Keep up the good work. And if I'm moving too fast, you can always hit the pause button. Guess what, guys? Your artwork looks amazing. Give yourselves a round of applause. You did an awesome job. And I had fun with you in art class today. And I will see you next time. Bye.